Hello friends, myself Dr. V.N. Deshmukh, Associate Professor, Sudhakar Rao Naik Institute of Pharmacy, Pusat. Today we will learn about glycosidal bitters. They are also called as bitter glycosides, or they are also called as bitter tonics. Glycosidal bitters are the compounds which are present in the plants, and chemically they are glycosidal in nature and they are bitter in taste. So, they are called as the glycosidal bitter. These glycosidal bitters, due to their bitter taste, it will stimulate for the secretion of the different gastric juices in the gastrointestinal tract. So, they are called as the bitter tonics, so that they will improve the appetite and they will act as an tonic. The bitters are the substances taken before the meal to improve appetite. Bitter glycosides have the activities like bitter stomachic, digestive and febrifuge. So, these bitter glycosides, when it is administered or when it is taken before the meals, it acts as an stomachic, that is for the treatment of the ailments which are related with the stomach. It can be used for the treatment, for its treatment. Then it is used as an digestive, as already we have discussed, that is these glycosidal bitters stimulate for the secretion of the different gastric juices in the gastrointestinal tract, so that they will improve the digestion and they will act as an febrifuge for the treatment of the mild fever, as an to reduce the fever. For the treatment of the mild fever, they are used. In Ayurveda, it is called as the haditap, that is when the temperature remains for long period of time due to unknown reason. For this purpose, these glycosidal bitters, they are used. These types of the glycoside do not belong chemically to same class. They are not from the same class, but the prominent drugs among them contain a glycosides of monoterpene eroids. So, it contains the type of the glycosides which is present, that is the monoterpene eroids with pyrene cyclopentane ring. Having a pyrene cyclopentane ring is present in these glycosides. Physiologically, the bitters have a stimulant effect on the gustatory nerves. They have a stimulant effect. They causes the stimulation of the gustatory nerves which are present in the oral cavity, due to which the gastric secretions increases and there is increase in the appetite, and also there is increase in the digestion due to these glycosidal bitters. In this case, we will study two drugs. First one, bitter almond, and next one is the gentian. So, first of all, we will see about the bitter almond. As the name indicate, these are bitter in taste, so they are called as the bitter almond. The almond which we eat for the different purpose as an dry fruit, it is called as the sweet almond. But in this case, due to the presence of the glycoside, due to the presence of the bitter glycoside amygdalin, these almonds, that is the bitter almonds, they are bitter in taste, whereas in case of the sweet almond, this amygdalin glycoside is absent. Synonym is amygdala, amara. Biological source, bitter almonds are dried ripe seeds of the plants Prunus amygdalus belonging to family Rosaceae. So, bitter almonds are the dried ripe seeds of the plants, that is the Prunus amygdalus belonging to family Rosaceae. Geographical source, the bitter almond, these trees are native in Iran and Asia Minor, at present extensively cultivated in Sicily, Italy, Spain, Portugal, South France and Morocco, the bitter almond trees cannot be easily distinguished botanically from sweet almond tree, that is the Prunus communis. So, the biological source of the sweet almond, it is the Prunus communis, and the biological source of the bitter almond, it is the Prunus amatgallus. Family of both is same, Rosaceae. So, the sweet almond that we eat as a dry fruit, which is used in case of the therapeutic as well as in case of the cosmetic, which contain the fixed oil, that is the Prunus communis, and bitter almond, it is the biological source is the Prunus amatgallus, family is Rosaceae. So, here you can see the picture of the bitter almond. These bitter almonds, they are also sold online on Amazon. Chemical constituents. Bitter almonds contain about 40 to 50% of the bland fixed oil. The fixed oil which do not have any taste, or they are weak, or they are the mild, so they are called as the bland. So, it contain a bland fixed oil. 20% of the proteins is present, an enzyme emulsin, and a colorless crystalline bitter glycoside known as amatgallin. It contains the glycoside, the bitter glycoside which is present in case of the bitter almond, that is the amatgallin 1 to 3%. It also contains 0.5% of the volatile oil. This amatgallin on hydrolysis due to emulsin in presence of water. So, the amatgallin which is present on hydrolysis due to the emulsin, that is the enzyme which is present, it get hydrolyzed in presence of water, decomposes into the benzaldehyde and hydrocyanic acid. It get decomposed into the benzaldehyde and hydrocyanic acid, and this hydrocyanic acid, it is called as the amatgallin hydrocyanic acid, is very poisonous and makes the drug unsuitable for internal consumption. So, due to this amatgallin hydrocyanic acid, it becomes poisonous and the drug is not suitable for the internal consumption. Sweet almonds do not contain this amatgallin and hence are not bitter in taste. Due to the presence of this amatgallin, it gives a bitter taste, and in case of the sweet almond, this amatgallin, it is not present, so there is no bitter taste. Due to the absence of amatgallin, they do not hydrolyze to form the hydrocyanic acid, so it is not poisonous in nature. So, do not produce volatile oil on hydrolysis, that is the benzaldehyde is also not present in this case. Bitter almond oils contain 80% of benzaldehyde and about 2 to 6% of hydrocyanic acid. So, in case of the bitter almond, it contains 80% of the benzaldehyde and about 2 to 6% of the hydrocyanic acid. So, the main chemical constituent which is present in case of the bitter almond, that is amatgallin, which on hydrolysis by the enzyme emulsin in the presence of the water gives benzaldehyde and hydrocyanic acid. This hydrocyanic acid, it is a poisonous. So, these bitter almonds, they are not used internally. Uses: bitter almonds are used as a sedative due to the hydrocyanic acid contents, but nowadays it is not used. The oil, it is used as an demulcent, skin lotion. The oil, the fixed oil which is present in case of the bitter almond, it is used as an demulcent in the skin lotion. It is also used in the preparation of amatgallin. For the extraction of the amatgallin, it is used. Bitter almond water is also prepared from the bitter almond, and it is also used in perfumery and in the forms of the liqueurs. It is used because of the presence of the benzaldehyde. Commercial application: bitter almonds oil is no longer used for the internal medication. Rectified bitter almond oil, it is used as an flavoring food, mainly in case of the confectionery. The most common use are almond essence and the marzipan, that is for the decoration of the cake and confectionery it is used. The oil is increasingly being replaced by synthetic benzaldehyde in food and flavorings. So the oil, it is replaced nowadays by synthetic benzaldehyde in case of the food flavorings. So this is all about the bitter almond. The synonym for this is Amygdala amara. It is a dried ripe seeds from the Prunus amygdalus belonging to family Rosaceae. Next drug from the category of the bitter glycoside, that is the gentian. In this case, the roots and the rhizomes of the gentian, they are used as an drug. The dried roots and the rhizome of gentian, they are used as an drug. So this is the picture of the gentian root and rhizome. Synonym for the gentian: gentian root, Gentiana radix gentiani. Biological source: gentian, it is a dried partially fermented rhizome and the root of yellow gentian, that is Gentiana lutea, belonging to family Gentianaceae. So the gentian, it is a dried and partially fermented, that is after the collection or after the harvesting of the gentian, it is placed for 2 to 3 days so that the fermentation will take place, and after the fermentation the glycoside will get hydrolyzed and you will obtain the active chemical constituent in case of the gentian. So it is a dried partially fermented rhizome and the root of yellow gentian, that is the Gentiana lutea, belonging to family Gentianaceae. Geographical source: gentian is a perennial herbaceous tree native to a hilly areas in southern and the central Europe like Jura, Vosges mountains and Yugoslavia. So the gentian, it is a dried partially fermented rhizomes and the roots of yellow gentian belonging to family Gentianaceae and obtained from Gentiana lutea. Morphological characteristic: color, the rhizomes are yellowish brown and has an transverse annulations and shows a conical buds at the top. The root is narrower but continuous with the rhizome. The root are narrower and it get continuous with the rhizome. The root of the gentian has a longitudinal wrinkles and has a circular scars of the rootlet. Odor is peculiar and characteristic. Taste is sweet followed by intensely bitter because of the presence of the glycoside. Firstly, there is a sweet taste because the glycoside contain the glycon and a glycon moiety. Due to the presence of the glycon moiety, initially there is a sweet taste, but it is followed by the intensely bitter taste. Fracture short and smooth. In dried drug, if the drug is completely dried, then the fracture is short and smooth, but if the amount of the moisture is more, in case of the moist drug, it is flexible and do not break easily. In this picture you can see that the root and the rhizomes of the gentian 10 to 20 centimeter long, the root 2 to 3 centimeter wide, whereas the rhizomes, they are 6 centimeter wide. As compared to the root, they are more wider. The buds are present, transfer winkles are present, and the rhizome is thick. The picture of the rhizome you can see, and the plant of the gentiana is also seen along with the flowers. Color yellowish brown and has a transverse annulations and shows a conical buds at the top. Roots are longitudinally wrinkled and has a circular scars of rootlets. Chemical constituents which are present in the gentian, depending upon the name of gentian, it contains the bitter glycoside, that is the gentiopicrin. It is also called as the gentiopicroside. It contains the gentiopicrin, that is the bitter glycoside. It is also called as the gentiopicroside. It is a water soluble crystalline compound with a bitter value of 12,000. It contains, the bitter value is 12,000. The bitter value, if the bitter value is less than 12,000, then one can say that the drug is either adulterated or it is substituted. During fermentation and drying, gensopicrin break to gensiogenin and glucose. So, during the process of fermentation, as already we have said that after the collection of the gentian, that is after the harvesting, the gentian roots and the rhizome, they are placed for the fermentation, and during this process of fermentation and drying, the gensopicrin, which is a bitter glycoside, breaks down to gensiogenin and glucose. The drug also contains amarogentin, aminosarin, gensioside and a mixture of gensopicrin, genticin and gentinin. That is, the drug along with the gensopicrin, it also contains amarogentin, aminosarin, gentioside and a mixture of gentiopicrin and genticin, which is called as the gentinin. Of this, the amarogentin bitter most substance, and it imparts a bitter taste in ever 5.8 lakhs times dilution. So, the amarogentin, it is the chemical constituent which gives a bitter taste to the gentian. Other constituents are less bitter as compared to gensopicrin or to the other chemical constituents which are present in case of the gentian. This is the chemical structure for the gentian, that is the genticin, chemical structure for amarogentin and the chemical structure of gensopicrin or gentiopicroside. Chemical test: gentian extract gives a light blue fluorescence in the UV light. Uses: it is used as an bitter tonic to a stimulant the gastric secretions and hence improving the appetite. So, it is used as a bitter tonic. Due to its bitter taste, it will stimulate the gustatory nerves so that the secretion of the different gastric juices will take place, different digestive juices will take place in the gastrointestinal tract, due to which there will be increase in the appetite as well as there will be increase in the digestion, and it can be also used for the alignments which are related to the gastrointestinal tract, that is one can say that it can be used as an stomachic. Other preparations of the gentian: concentrated compound gentian infusion, it is available in the market. It contains gentian, bitter orange peel, lemon peel and alcohol, near about 25% of the alcohol is present. Then compound gentian tincture, it contains gentian, bitter orange peel, cardamom seeds and alcohol 46%. So, the gentian which is obtained from the Gentiana lutea family Gentianaceae, synonym is gentian root, Gentiana radix gentiani. So, at last we will review again. We have studied two drugs from the category of the bitter glycoside. First one is the bitter almond, which is the synonym is Amygdala amara, and they are the dried ripe seeds obtained from Prunus amygdalus belonging to family Rosaceae, and another one, that is the gentian, the synonym is gentiana root, gentiana or radix gentiani, which is a root and rhizomes of Gentiana lutea belonging to family Gentianaceae. So, this is all about the bitter almond and gentian. We will stop here. Thank you very much.